Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn notifications on or off in Microsoft Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to control when you're alerted about new emails, helping you stay focused during important tasks, or ensuring you never miss critical messages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait a moment for your emails to fully load. This step is essential because you need to be logged in to access the settings we'll be modifying. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that all your folders and messages are displaying properly before moving forward. Once your email has loaded completely, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to open up a new menu. This is where Outlook keeps many of its configuration and account management options, so it's an important area to familiarize yourself with. After the File menu has opened, take a look at the very bottom part of this menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Options. Click on it to proceed. This will open the Outlook Options window, which is your central hub for customizing how Outlook behaves and appears. The window might take a second to load, especially if you have a lot of add-ins or configurations, so be patient while it opens fully. Now in the Outlook Options window, you'll see a left side menu with several categories. Click on Mail to access email-specific settings. This section controls everything related to how your messages are composed, sent, and received. Once you're in the Mail tab, scroll down until you find the Message Arrival section. This is the area that specifically manages what happens when new emails come in. Within the Message Arrival section, look for the option that says Display a Desktop Alert. This is the setting that controls whether you see pop-up notifications on your screen when new messages arrive. You can toggle this option on or off depending on your preference. If you turn it on, you'll receive desktop alerts every time a new email comes in. If you turn it off, Outlook will still receive your emails, but it won't interrupt you with notifications. This gives you complete control over how distracted or informed you want to be throughout your day. Once you've configured the notification setting to your liking, click on OK at the bottom of the window to save and apply your changes. The Outlook Options window will close, and your new settings will take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your notification settings in Microsoft Outlook, giving you better control over your workflow and attention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.